Hello guys, welcome back to another video in this React series. In this video, we'll be building a simple text to uppercase converter using ReactJS. As you can see in this example, whenever I type any letter, it is automatically converting to uppercase letters. Even though I write small letters here, it is converting to upper letters. In many websites, you might have seen this kind of usage where text is automatically converted to uppercase as it is required in some of those cases. This is a very useful feature to build in ReactJS application. So let's see how we can achieve this one using JS features. For that one, let me open code editor first. Here I have a dedicated component for this application, and currently I have only one header by name text to uppercase converter. If you preview this one in browser, you can see only that header is appearing here. First step we need to do here is let's add one input box within our functional component. For that one, I'm using input tag and defining the type of that one to text. So let's save this one. If we preview this one in browser now, you can see we have a text box which will accept both small and uppercase letters. As of now, as we have not added any functionality here, it's displaying both small and uppercase letters. Next step is we need to import useStateHook from React. So for that one, let me add useStateHook at the top, which I am going to import it from React library. So this useStateHook is used to manage state within this functional component. Next, create a state within our functional component. Here we have defined a state by name input value and defined its initial value to null. And there is a function set input value to set the input value state's value. Next comes our main part where we need to write a logic. For that one, I have written one function here. Here handle input is an event handler function that will be called whenever user types any text within this input element, and it takes an event object e as its argument. Inside this event handler, it takes the value of the input field from the event object e.target.value and converts it to uppercase by using JavaScript's method to uppercase. Then the final result, which is converted to uppercase, that will be saved in this new value constant variable. Then set input value function will set the value of input value state. So whenever this state is updated, React will automatically re-render the component to reflect the changes. So the final step which we need to do is we need to update the JSX element to update the input JSX element. First thing is we need to bind the value which we have stored in the input value state. Now we have bind the value entered by the user to the input value, which means it will display the current value of input value. Additionally, we will add another event handler that is onInput. So this will call the handle input function whenever user types any text into this input field. So now whenever user enters any text here, this function will get called, and within this function we are converting the received input to uppercase and we are storing it in new value. And finally we are setting input value state by using the set input value function. And the updated or latest value is displayed always in this input field by using value is equals to input value. So that's the logic, we have built it here. So let's save this file and go back to browser now to preview this application. Now if you start typing any letters, you can see this is automatically getting converted to uppercase letters. So this is one of the useful feature which we can add into our React forms. That's it guys for this short video. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials.